Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will acquire the knowledge to construct a hollow cylindrical model. We will also understand the basic difference between the total surface area and the curved surface area of a hollow cylinder by finding them out practically. From our IntelliSmart box, take out the cylinder kit and the geometry box. Hollow cylindrical shaped objects we see in everyday life. It includes water bottles, pipelines, water tanks, pen holders, etc. Take out the foam rings of type A and measuring disc from activity kit and ruler from geometry box. We can make the hollow cylindrical models just by using the foam rings of type A, for which we need to place them one over another on the flat surface as shown. Observe that we have thus built a simple hollow cylinder model. Here it has two curved surfaces, one towards its internal side and other one towards its external side, and two flat surfaces which are circular rings on the top and the bottom side of the model. Please don't get confused and be informed that in a hollow cylinder there are two curved surfaces and two flat surfaces that are formed by the rings. Now let's calculate the curved surface area and total surface area one by one. To begin with, the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder is defined as 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small r h, where capital R is the external radius of the hollow cylinder, small r is the internal radius of the hollow cylinder, and h is the height of the hollow cylinder. So we need to find out the internal and external radius and height of the hollow cylinder, for which put the measuring disc on the bottom side of the formed hollow cylinder. Here you can see that the outer surface of the hollow cylindrical model coincides with the red outer border of the black ring of the measuring disc. Now remove the measuring disc and measure the radius of the red circle drawn on it by assuming the center as the black dot on the disc with the help of the ruler. Here the radius of the red circle is equals to 4.5 cm, which is also equals to the external radius of the hollow cylinder. In addition, we again need to put the measuring disc on the bottom side of the formed hollow cylinder. Here you can see that the inner surface of the hollow cylinder model coincides with the white outer border of the blue ring of the measuring disc. So remove the measuring disc and measure the radius of the white circle drawn on it by assuming the center as the black dot on the disc with the help of ruler. Here the radius of the white circle is 3.5 cm, which is also equals to the internal radius of the hollow cylindrical model. Now measure the height of the hollow cylinder by putting it on the flat surface with the help of ruler. The height of the hollow cylinder is equals to 5 cm. Now let's put the values in the formula to calculate the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder. We know curved surface area is equal to 2 pi capital R H plus 2 pi small r h, which is equal to 2 pi multiplied by capital R plus small r multiplied by h. Here we have already calculated the values, which are capital R is equals to 4.5 centimeter, small r is equals to 3.5 centimeter and h is equals to 5 centimeter. So the curved surface area is equals to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 4.5 plus 3.5, which are the values of capital R and small r, multiplied by 5, that is the height of the cylinder. So the curved surface area is equal to 1760 divided by 7 centimeter square. Furthermore, the total surface area of the hollow cylinder is defined as the area of its all the faces, for which we need to calculate the area of the two circular rings, which are at the top and the bottom surface of the model. As we already have the measurements, so we can directly find out the value of the total surface area. We know total surface area is equal to curved surface area of hollow cylinder plus the area of two circular rings, which is equal to 2 pi multiplied by capital R plus small r multiplied by h, that is the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder, plus 2 pi multiplied by capital R square minus small r square, which is the formula for the two rings at the top and the bottom of the hollow cylinder. Please don't get confused and be informed that to find the area of circular rings, we need to subtract the area of the inner circle from the area of the outer circle. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 4.5 plus 3.5 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 4.5 square minus 3.5 square, which is equal to 2112 by 7 centimeter square. In the similar manner, you can perform this activity to practically understand the basic difference between the total surface area and the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder model having different dimensions. Hope you have enjoyed it. We are sure that after performing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: preparing the hollow cylindrical model by using the foam rings, practically observing the difference between the total surface area and the curved surface area of a hollow cylinder, and calculating the total and the curved surface area of a hollow cylinder. Visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.